Grade 5, MX18, Lesson 1.2 from the Adding and Subtracting with Fractions unit. Hello students and families. This video resource can be viewed as a reminder of learning that happened in the classroom, a review of learning that was missed during an absence, a preview of new learning. Remember, this video cannot replace the math conversations and group learning that takes place in the classroom. If you have questions or would like additional practice, please speak to your teacher. Here is the learning target for today's lesson. I can make and explain equivalent fractions. Here are some of the Tier 3 vocabulary words that will be used in this lesson. Keep in mind that these are not the entire list of vocabulary words for this lesson. Here we have equivalent fractions, 1/2 and 3/6. The question is, how did we get from 1/2 to 3/6? Easy, we multiply. One way to make equivalent fractions is to multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. In this example, what number did we use? We used the number 3 to make the equivalent fraction. 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6. If you're confused about how this works, look at the fraction bars. Notice that each half of the top fraction bar has been multiplied by 3. The numerator becomes 3, the denominator becomes 6. Using this strategy, we can find many equivalent fractions. Notice that for each equivalent fraction, the numerator and denominator are multiplied by the same number. 1/2 equals 3/6, which equals 5/10, which equals 8/16. The most common mistake that students make when finding equivalent fractions is using different numbers to multiply the numerator and denominator. Let's take a look at a problem from the homework. If you have 3/4 of a cup of flour, how many eighths do you have? Ask yourself, what number was used to find the equivalent denominator? If the answer is 2, then the numerator must be multiplied by the same number. The equivalent fraction is 6/8. Here is a reminder of the learning target for today. As always, if you have additional questions or if you would like more practice, please talk to your teacher when you return to the classroom. As we continue to build this resource for students and families, any feedback that you have would be appreciated. Feel free to email with any suggestions that you may have.